Hi guys, this is Robotic arm pick and place robot that is developed by students of Robotrix India. Name of the student is Harshil and Harshit Kansara. They developed this project in last 6 months, and that is pick and place robotic arm that can pick up to 200 gram weight, right? And it can place it at another place. This robot widely industries are using right now, but that is totally manual robot, but it's totally programmed robot, automatic robot. And yes, of course, a lot of cars right now are getting assembled by the same technology. This is Mara 1.0, that is called machine multi-axis robotic arm, right? And here is a circuit that is developed on particularly Arduino board, right? And they used Arduino Mega, some switches, some stepper drivers, and some stepper motors, right? This all these things they used. And this is a totally 3D printed robotic arm.